In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a drop shadow to an image here in Canva. So I have this image just here, and to add a drop shadow is really simple. In fact, they actually have lots of different types of shadows. Now to find them, we simply click onto the image, then we come up to the toolbar just here, and then we click on Edit. Now if we look over here on the left-hand side, we want to scroll down to where we see Effects, and then shadows just here. And these are all the different types of drop shadows that we can use. There's glow, drop shadow, which is a standard one, outline, curved, page lift, angled, and backdrop. Now for this example, we're just going to click onto the drop shadow just here. Now if we scroll down, we have lots of different options with lots of different settings. We have blur amount, angle, distance, we can change the color, and there's also intensity. Now, if we click onto this little round color icon, this is where we can add the hex code of a color if we want to use one, or we can play around with this color palette as well. But for this example, we're going to keep the drop shadow black. Then we can play around with the distance, so we can make it bigger like that. We can increase that intensity, and then we can play around with the blur just to blur that drop shadow a little bit more, just like that. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to add a drop shadow to an image here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.